Nanima, the response of the foreign minister really was not convincing. He spoke about how it was a technical issue, short notice, but I can tell you on the record that all of us over here were messaging, telling them, asking them, we'd want to participate. We weren't allowed, so it was not a short notice because of which women were missed in the previous press conference.
No, you're of course right, Geeta. This was not a short notice, and it was not what he said that this was to address only specific technical issues. I mean, what did he mean? That women journalists don't understand technical specific issues? We all do. But end of the day, I think there was a mistake from both the sides, and I think there is still Minister of External Affairs has the opportunity to say again on the record that, okay, this shouldn't have happened. Because for me, the bigger worry is that now that we've normalized ties with the Taliban in Afghanistan, there are going to be this kind of high-level visits happening on and off, right? And every time if they come and if we are telling them that you have a free run in our country, even if this is their territory or not, which is technically not because we have not recognized them officially, then you can do anything inside this premises. Tomorrow, Afghan women will come here maybe for visas or any other issues. What if they are punished the same way that they are done in Afghanistan? What if tomorrow in the courtyard you flog a woman? What would the Indian government say at that point of time? This is their territory. Will you allow that to happen? So this has very serious implication. I mean, yes, of course, you can stop journalists from coming in. End of the day, you and I, we know, even Suhasini and Pranay, that we will get our stories done. But what is the example that you are setting is the bigger question.